What is up, guys? DC Tech here, and today we are going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 128GB version in Cloud Silver. This is currently a Best Buy exclusive, and I got it a while ago on Black Friday for $300 off. So I'd like to wish all you guys a Merry Christmas today, and let's just get straight into this. So, see on the front, you have the pen. I mean, if you haven't seen the box already. So you can see here again, it's a 128GB version. I thought it was interesting. This didn't have any seals on it or anything. There was no like packing seal or anything. So hopefully it's not tampered with or anything. So, but you never know. Nothing on the back here. And then just want to open it on the bottom right here. Nice packaging. Props to Samsung for that. So in here you just got your usual instruction manuals or whatnot. SIM ejector tool, that's nice. Then here you just got your manual. There is no case included on here because this is a US model, not an international model. So, here is the phone right here. Take it out. Definitely a lot bigger than my iPhone 7 that I'm coming from. And look at that color. I've actually never seen this color in person before because the local Best Buy near me was sold out and did not have any on display. But there's the phone. S Pen. There you go. I don't really like how they have AT&T labeling on here. That's kind of annoying. But and that also means that it's probably going to come with a lot of bloatware on here with AT&T bloatware and whatnot. But oh well. I mean, it's pretty easy to get rid of that anyways. So let's put that off to the side like usual. Then here's the USB-C to USB-A connector, wall adapter, which I probably won't be using that much because I got a wireless charger. Your AKG earbuds right here. If you already know, these are worth like $100 on their own, so that's one of the many things that makes this phone a very good value. USB-A to USB-C cable. And then exclusive to the Note phones, you also get a hardness tip adjuster, so you can change the tip to your writing preference. So that is about everything that is inside the box. Move this off to the side. And I got a screen protector and everything for this too, so I want to make this video kind of short so I can do that. So anyways, let's zoom in. Zoom into the phone here. Okay. So AT&T branding, whatever. So we'll take the back off. That's a little too far in, isn't it? Can't really see. Here's the plastic peel. Okay, there's the back. Just take the sticker off while we're at it. This is ugly. I do not want sticker right there on my new phone. Okay. Alright. And the front. Alright, so there's the phone, and we will just power it on, and then I am going to end the video here because I need to apply my case and screen protector and all that stuff. So, and you guys would probably get bored if I did that if I did that here on video. So we'll just boot it up for the first time. Okay, Galaxy Note 9. AT&T boot screen, that's not great, but is what it is. That's what you have to deal with here in the United States. And right, Bixby. Alright, so this is the start screen, so I'm just gonna put the SIM card in for my iPhone 7 that I've had for the past 2 years. Alright, so I just put the SIM card in from my iPhone 7 right here that I've been using for the past 2 years. And I would take you through the setup process on camera and first impressions and whatnot, but I would like to end the video here because I need to transfer all the stuff from my iPhone to this phone, which takes a while, and you guys would probably get bored of that, so I think I'll just end the video here. So, thanks for watching this video. Merry Christmas, everyone, and stay tuned for more videos with this phone.